Alright guys, we're in the middle of the Philippines and we are hunting sea urchin.
Okay!
Yeah, let's go.
It's like the third.
Cooking 101.
Yes, we're gonna eat all here in the sea.
Yeah,
all
it is the salt, that's it. How are you?
Nandito?
Yeah.
Where's the... Morning, ma'am. Where's the...
Yeah, on beach. Guys, this should be the most expensive grab ride we have taken so far.
So far, yeah.
After coming
So
here.
far for this trip.
Yeah, the max we have done is like...
How far is it, Kuya?
How far is it?
25
kilometers. Man, we never gone that far in a grab.
Minutes.
32 minutes, time to sleep.
She said she needs to.
Listen. Sir, we
Hey,
go.
it's
Our boat?
hey, do we need to like buy like the drinks and everything?
Yes, we have here.
Are you having it?
SARI-SARI store.
Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are going to a SARI-SARI store.
What kinds of drinks, sir?
SARI-SARI. Let's have some water.
Hello, good day, bloggers.
Hey, how are you?
Chan here?
Chan.
What kinds of drinks, sir?
So,
Is that
water,
there?
water. Yeah, that's
Can we
good.
have like 2 large bottles of water?
Yes, we have. Like that?
Cool.
What kind of drinks, sir? Energy drink?
Filipino body?
What?
I think
We'll have 2
it's
large bottles
Filipina.
of
Yeah, she's from Philippines.
Pinoy.
Pinay, bro, dalag din. No,
Dili makasabot ng Bisaya. Makasabot gamay. I'm from Manila.
are you from
Are you?
Tagalog?
Oh, really?
I'm from.
Good to meet you. Guys, this is called a SARI-SARI store.
SARI-SARI store.
Yeah.
Bayad na.
Hello, vlogger, is vlogger.
Snacks.
Hi, hello.
Hey.
Filipina. Tindera.
What else, sir?
What else?
Let's have some snacks maybe.
Snack? What snack? What kind of biscuit?
What do you recommend? What's like the best seller for snacks?
Cake.
I think this is scallops, delicious.
This
Chocolate, that one.
Halo mix.
We'll have
Yes.
We'll have 2 from the peanuts.
and 2 from here. Yeah.
Not all peanuts mix. Bawa.
You can buy bawang.
Buy bawang.
The ordinary one.
You want this one?
Yeah, 2.
2 of this and 1 of this maybe? Yeah.
Chocolate. You want tattoos? That's the Filipino
Filipino, yeah.
Filipino junk.
No need. Beating all
I want 230.
230. Yeah.
Good.
230. Guys, this is like a super local neighborhood. We're going island hopping here on the SARI-SARI store.
Abi no, kuhaan ka din ang kuhaan ba? Australiano. Australian. Pinoy, pwede ka na?
What?
Filipina, right?
Yeah,
No,
Filipina.
he's still not sure. Are you?
Hi, am I look like something?
Yeah.
What?
Because it looks like
Chinese?
No, not
Spanish?
Chinese. Spanish.
Spanish.
Mexican?
Yes.
Latina?
Bro.
When I was in US, they've been telling me I'm from Ecuador or Mexico.
So you should like act like you're from Mexico and get the privilege.
No, I don't like foreign tax.
Oh, that's foreign tax. Yeah.
It's a foreign tax thing.
Don't forget your bags.
Let's get it back.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
I already get your.
Oh yeah. All right. You guys want to buy anything? You want to buy anything? No. You good? You good?
No, it's okay. I am full now.
Are you? It seems to be our boat is sponsored by McDonald's. That's called Night Daddy.
No.
Every island has a fee
Yeah.
for the environment.
Island have entrance.
Guys, off we go. Hey! This one, what the heck is this one?
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Look at the engine down there. We can smell the new paint. Hey! Titanic! Yeah, it's good, huh? We got enough space.
See my organizing.
We got enough space for like 20 people here.
Congratulations.
What were we doing here? Alright guys, we are going to hunt some sea urchin. We got a hunter here. Alright.
You want to get there, but mom, you want to use slipper, okay? But
Yeah, there's
I
too
think
much.
we have so many. I think so many slipper.
We got so many souvenirs.
You want to use? Max?
Yeah, I'm not getting down now. We're gonna hunt some sea urchin. Alright guys, we're in the middle of the Philippines and we are hunting sea urchin. Okay! Yeah, let's go! The black one is the poison one. Yeah, the black one is the poison one. Good to know. We got our expert here. We got one. We are doing it the natural way, peeing in the sea. Natural. Nothing harmful. Peeing in the sea. So guys, how many do we have so far?
Only 5.
Only 5. That's so enough, huh? Isn't it enough?
This is a small.
How many do we need?
so
We just
small.
want to try, that's it.
Katulad dito, ma'am. Katulad
That
dito.
should be a size, right?
Oh, yeah, katulad dito.
That should be a size, right?
Yeah, that one.
That's a good size.
But
Good to know. Let's go eat. Let's go eat. This is the brunch for today.
just like that, sir.
Cooking 101.
Then we put in water and like that. Push. Hindi masyado malaki because
Not that big.
hindi mataba.
It's moving, look!
Yes.
Wow.
See the movement.
Ah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Finally one. Did you break it in the wood? After like 10-20 pieces, we just got one. Finally. That's the yellow one, right?
The red one. I'm washing it.
It looks like shit. You know, like how birds shit. Hit the bird shit. Tastes like salt and onion like that. Wait, go. Put it.
Okay. Yeah.
No meat in that also.
Yes, because
We caught about 10 sea urchins and three gone. Nothing. Tastes like grass. Eating grass.
I will get another black color. I will eat. Yes, we can eat all here in the sea. All
I taste the salt. That's it. I can taste only the salt. Do you taste anything else other than the salt? Salt and maybe like onions? Salt and onions. Onion bigger. Guys, we got a barbecue here, we got a toilet here, engine room here, and we got the captain cook. Very good, huh? Not bad. I'll clean the water. Just clean the water. Get a new one. What's that? Ah, okay. All right.
Look, I could do business with these clowns. Jump in the chain, go G. Tom, Daily, you're the boy, Jimmy Breeze. Last call for your leave. Nah, never that goes straight.
Alright, guys, we are gonna try a different scallop. We're gonna crush the chocolate here. Chocolate garnish. Chocolate garnish. Don't put on everything. Yeah, where's the peanuts?
The chocolate.
Yeah?
Nutella scallops.
Nutella scallops.
Salted chocolate.
A few moments later.
That's choc scallop. Choc scallop. How is it? Choc scallop.
Not that.
These are bigger jellyfish. Small jellyfish.
On the board, the ghost train. Look, I could do business with these clowns. Jump in the chain, go G. Tom, Daily, you're the boy, Jimmy Breeze. Last call for your leave. Nah, never that goes straight. Blood never coming that road safe. I'm doing business like gold.
So guys, in the middle of the sea, we get the best recipes. The best recipes in the middle of the sea. Crushing the peanuts. We got horseshoe scallop with peanuts.
This is the runners-up from MasterChef Philippines. Going for the MasterChef Philippines.
I was outside low key, gotta have faith, ripping it. Now I'm in the labo D, gotta have faith, flipping it. Step with you got it on me, but it's okay, dipping it. Fucking with sis on the beat, cutting up pay, chipping it. Hit the motherfucker that I breeze out, eh? Whoa, on the one, now. Steady rocking with the G's now, eh? Whoa, on the one, now. Got it when I come and run up and I go straight. Whoa, on the one, now.